1 year from now, you will either be in the same place or YouTube will have changed your life. The choice is yours. Do you want the truth? Making money on YouTube is not hard, but staying consistent is. People start a channel, upload 2 to 3 videos, get no views, and then quit. And later they say, "You can't make money from YouTube." But winners think differently. They don't chase views, they create value. They don't focus on going viral, they focus on making an impact. And when you give value, money follows you. The formula to earn from YouTube is simple: content plus consistency plus patience. Create content people want to watch. Stay consistent. And most importantly, be patient. Because YouTube is a slow game. But when it grows, it can change your entire life. Right now, there are thousands of people earning thousands of dollars from YouTube. And the only difference is, they started, and you are still thinking. You don't need a perfect camera. You don't need a perfect setup. You don't even need a perfect start. You just need one thing. Start. Imagine this. One day you wake up and see a notification on your phone. You earned money from YouTube. That feeling, that freedom, that respect, it's real. But only for those who take action today. So decide today, will you keep scrolling? Or will you start creating? If you truly want to change your life, upload your first video today. Because YouTube is not just a platform. It's an opportunity that can change your life forever.